Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll solve some questions on coordinate geometry. So let's get started. First question. The distance between the lines 4x plus 3y equal to 11 and 8x plus 6y equal to 15 is. So we know that two lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. The distance between them is given by mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. But you can see these coefficients are different. But you can also observe that 8 by 4 is 2 and 6 by 3 is also 2. So they just differ by a factor of 2. So we can just take the first equation and multiply it by 2 to bring the coefficient to the same form. So this is only possible with parallel lines. 8x plus 6y is equal to 22 and the second line will be 8x plus 6y is equal to 15. So you can just d will be 22 minus 15 by root of 8 square plus 6 square. So you needn't take this c1 and c2 to the other side because anyway you're taking modulus. You're only interested in the difference between these both. Okay. So denominator, you already know 6, 8 and 10 form the Pythagorean triplet. So 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So this will just be, numerator will be 7 and denominator will be 10. So D will be 7 by 10, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. A line passing through the points a, 2a and minus 2, 3 is perpendicular to the line 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Find the value of a. So we know for perpendicular lines the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So the first line, let's take the slope a, 2a and minus 2, 3. So it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? So I2 is 3 minus 2a divided by minus 2 minus a. And m2 we need to find. So we need to write it in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So we have 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So 3y will be equal to minus 4x minus 5. Y will be equal to minus 4 by 3x minus 5 by 3. So m2 is minus 4 by 3, right? So if you compare these two equations, you will get m2 as minus 4 by 3. Then we have m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m1 is 3 minus 2a by minus 2 minus a into minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Negative signs we can cancel. Then you can just take the denominator to the other side. So numerator is 4 into 3 minus 2a is equal to 3 into minus 2 minus a. So 12 minus 8a is equal to minus 6 minus 3a. So I can take this side and bring this side. 12 plus 6 is equal to 8a minus 3a. 18 is equal to 5a. So a is equal to 18 by 5. So option B is the right answer. 18 by 5. We also have minus 18 by 5. So this is not the answer. Only 18 by 5 is the answer. Next question. If the points a, 0, and 0, b and 1, 1 are collinear, then which of the following is true? So collinear points, we know slopes are same, right? So let's take slope between a, 0 and 0, b. So m1 is equal to b minus 0 by 0 minus a, which is minus b by a. And next 0, b and 1, 1. So this slope is 1 minus b divided by 1 minus 0, which is 1 minus b. And third we have a, 0 and 1, 1, m3. So this is 1 minus 0 by 1 minus a, which is 1 by 1 minus a. So we have m1 equal to m2 equal to m3. So minus b by a is equal to 1 minus b, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus a. So let's just take any one equation and try to equate. So minus b by a is equal to 1 minus b. So let's multiply by a on both sides. Minus b is equal to a minus ab. Now let's divide by b on both sides. So we'll have minus 1 is equal to a by b minus a, right? Again, if we divide by a, so minus 1 by a is equal to 1 by b minus 1. If we take this side and bring this side, we have 1 is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. So do we have this? Yes, we have this. Even if you equate these both, you will arrive at the same thing. So let's again try that as well. So we have minus b by a is equal to 1 minus 1 by a, right? So you bring 1 minus a this side and b that side. So minus of 1 minus a by a is equal to 1 by b. So you can split this. Minus 1 by a plus 1 is equal to 1 by b. So it is just same equation. You will get the same result. Okay. So whichever equation you take, you will get the same result. So the answer is 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. Next question. If P is the length of the perpendicular from origin to the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1, then which of the following is true? So this is the equation of the line. So in general, if we have this line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, distance from origin is given by mod c divided by root of a square plus b square, right? So here what do we have? X by a plus y by b minus 1 equal to 0. So here c is minus 1, a is 1 by a and b is 1 by b. And they are given the distance, perpendicular distance from origin is p. So p is equal to modulus of c divided by root of a square plus b square. So which is nothing but modulus of minus 1 divided by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So p is equal to 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So if you take reciprocal on both sides, we have 1 by p is equal to root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. If you take square, 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is what we get. So let's check the options. So there is no negative sign here. So this is what we got, right? So option C is the right answer.